Lucy, here at AO. Your dishwasher does a great job of cleaning your dishes, but if it's starting to smell or the results aren't what they usually are, chances are it needs a good clean. Let's go through them. There's a few easy maintenance jobs. Some you can do weekly, others monthly, and some for that quarterly TLC. These are your weekly jobs to keep your dishwasher looking and operating at its best. You want to remove trapped food and gunk buildup, as this will help prevent bad smells. The key areas are the filter, the door seals, and the drain area. Firstly, take out the bottom rack. Now the filter is usually at the bottom. Most will twist out and are in a few parts, but check your machine's manual if you're not sure. Rinse the filter under cold water to clear any gunk away. If it's a bit stubborn, you can use a toothbrush and some washing up liquid to get rid of any grease. Put the parts back together and then pop it back into the dishwasher and lock into place. Give the inside of the machine a wipe down with a damp cloth, as well as the door seals. Once a month, you're going to want to give it a deep clean. As well as food build-up and detergent residue, limescale can build up too. Always check your manual, as every dishwasher is different. I've got some dishwasher cleaner here which I know is suitable for this machine. So make sure the machine is empty of dishes and add the cleaner as per instructions. Next, run a hot cycle to give it a proper deep clean. If you don't have a dishwasher cleaner to hand, there's a couple of household alternatives you can use. Place a bowl of white vinegar on the top shelf and run a hot cycle. Another option is sprinkling a cup of baking soda across the bottom of the machine before the wash. It's great for helping to neutralise odours. A few times a year, it's a good idea to give your beloved dishwasher a bit of TLC. If you've noticed your dishes aren't cleaning the way they used to, then it might be because the spray arms are clogged with limescale or food. Take out the racks for easy access and get yourself some toothpicks or some wire. If you can see that the holes are a bit clogged, then use your toothpick or wire to gently poke through the holes and dislodge anything that's stuck in there. Remove the spray arms and give them a rinse under the tap before putting them back securely. And that's it. Keep on top of these steps and your dishwasher will stay cleaner, fresher, and perform better for longer.